What was that other part called?
Which one?
Oh, ese que le estás poniendo, ¿cómo se llama? Para
the quick release?
El quick release.
Yeah. The cables are being clamped on here. No,
So, con esta partecita y la partecita que le estás poniendo y el volante que salió como 300 y algo.
A ver, hold on.
Es más, ¿qué cuesta un volante?
I've spent $375.
375 por un mendigo volante.
You know how much a used
¿Qué vale un volante normal?
Estos, like, because you know, finding an original is the only way to get one that actually fits. Costs $200 to get a decent replacement for mine. I'd rather $200 for an old stock wheel that's in decent condition.
¿Qué voy a hacer con aquel?
I'm gonna probably fix it up. Put it on my wall.
Save it, porque es original.
I know. That's stupid.
Y está intacto. Trata de buscar uno de aquellos, a ver en cuánto salen los originales.
That's interesting. Okay. First this one here.
Una pregunta, ¿qué es lo que va a activar el quick release? Así para que se quite el volante rápido.
I'll show you once it's installed.
¿Que no debe de tener como algo que le prensas o algo así?
Yes, hold it. I haven't even gotten it installed yet. Something's wrong with this thread. Hopefully I noticed it changed. Definitely enough, once this wheel is on, it's not coming off again.
¿Esa le venía ahí o es de un belt?
It comes with the toolkit. It comes with everything you need, which is just this off.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. One more, and it's done. Okay.
Yeah,
that's
ya
it.
trancó.
And it's got this button here that locks it extra. And well, some people have a different habit of doing it. You see how this is lined up? Some people like to do this. And that's on.
A ver, quítalo.
Oh, right. Extra lock. You can disable this, though, if you just want to be able to take it off like that. But I prefer the extra safety feature.
Está bien. Está mejor que esos candados que les ponen a los volantes.
Yeah.
Mejor te llevas el volante. Ya, ¿quién fregas va a robar un carro sin volante?
See, the only problem with these is that someone can bring their own steering wheel.
Este de botoncito es el quick release.
That's not the quick release. This is a lock button.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's even if this somehow pulls out, this won't unlock. Let it unlock. It's basically a safety feature. Hold on though, because this button is not centered. I'm not liking that. Come on.
¿Cuál botón?
This thing, the plate in the middle isn't centered. It's a little off-centered. All right. Let's test out the horn. Pop it. Actually, pop the hood. Just hold the turbo together.
¿La batería?
Yeah, just hold it together for now. I need to make sure the horn isn't possibly stuck because the wires were really close.
Yeah.